What's up, everybody? Update 2.13 is out on Steam right now for PC players only, and they dropped some promo shots. So we got the new i8, the MR2, the Phoenix with its new body kit, and the Wellington with its new body kits. And also we have the Porsche with its its new wing, and the paint options displayed, and some of the cool new vinyls. And we're just gonna jump straight into the game and check out all the new features and make sure everything's running good. So we have that brand new load screen that I really like. All three of these cars have these DLC vinyls, and they look absolutely sick. Actually, I don't think the Supra has that vinyl as a DLC option, but the Phoenix or the Wellington and the E36 definitely do. Wait, what? You gotta be shitting me. Oh no. That's the nail in the coffin. I am sorry. CarX, what are you guys doing? Alright, after I calmed down a little bit, I decided to see if they release like another version of the game alongside of the non-moddable version. And sure enough, if you go through Steam and the properties and betas, there is a moddable version. So click on that, click update, and that'll shoot you straight over to the game. So the game did update with the moddable version, but I'm still getting some error messages, but we're going to dive into that. So once you're in the game, hit F4 for your Kino mod. It's going to ask you to update it. Click on update. It's probably going to kick you out 9 times out of 10. All you got to do is just click on the box here, install it. You're going to get a message about closing the game down. So you just click yes, let it update. Launch the game again, you should be good to go. So I said I had all my mods in the game, and if I click F4 here, it pops up the Kino mod, so I know that's working. And when I went over to multiplayer, it removed the top 32 and put the modded map room. Still got to figure out why it's not letting me go online, but like I said, I'll dig into it for you guys. Alright guys, so apparently there's only one fix to this thing right now, and this is not good at all. So what you're seeing on the screen is I'm highlighting the cursor over the room list, and with this little pop-up right here with my phone, you're gonna see what I have to do to enter a lobby. So here we are with the enter button, and we're just gonna spam like absolutely crazy. It's thinking about it. Oh my god, we're in. You can't tell me that is broke as hell. CarX, guys, come on, man. I really hope this helps you guys. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Later.